I'm building Bisque, a survey platform that actually cares if you get good data, and here are the features I am most excited about that I built out this week. One of the things I am most excited about is like the user interface, the UI, what the thing looks like for people building surveys and working to make it just like really simple and intuitive. I get surveys all the time where I'm like, I shouldn't have seen this question, this answer choice shouldn't be here with me. And if the people building it had used display and skip logic properly, I wouldn't have. So one of the founding guiding principles of Bisque is that like logic is not hidden, you can see it. So I want you to be like prompted to think about like, oh, should I be using those features? Because too often people aren't customizing surveys enough for people. Let's take a look. I feel so proud I did this week. Okay, so if you look, oh lordy, at the top right here, this is like block level logic. Show this block to everyone. And if you click it, you'll get a drop down that says show this block only if, and you'll have a panel where you can decide like, oh, only if they said they were a teacher, or only if they said they had bought my product, right? Like you can customize who this whole block shows up for. Then we pop down to the next row, show this question to everyone. And that's the default when you make a question. But let's say you want everyone to see the block, but some of the questions you only want certain people to see. You would click the little drop down, show this question only if, get the same logic panel, and you can scope out who you want to see the question. I love that it is logic you can see. I am so excited about this feature. But it gets better because it extends to your answer choices, right? So there's logic at like the block level, the question level, and then even within a question at the answer choice level. You can set show this answer to everyone. That's the default that'll show up for you. And then you can also do show this answer only if, and then specify the criteria of like who should see this answer choice. And if you have it set on only if, then you get the little pencil. So if you want to edit and change the criteria later, it's easy. That little pencil shows up for the questions in the block level as well. It took a lot of trial and error and time to build this out this week. And I am just like really proud to have this like baseline functionality in there and working. The biggest selling point I think with this platform is just price. For $25 a month, you get 5 users, you get 5,000 responses a month, and you get full access to all the survey platform's features. My whole thing is when you stack that up against what other platforms are offering, like, why wouldn't you switch? At the end of the day, I think everyone should have access to a platform that does like everything you need it to do, and that like price shouldn't be a barrier to good survey design. Stay tuned because I will cover some of the super cool AI features next. I know, not leading with AI in this economy. AI or not, we need better survey platforms. AI is just like icing on the cake.